Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be unboxing these beauty subscriptions that I'm subscribed to. So I have Ipsy, Birchbox, and Macy's, which is actually what I'm filming on, my Macy's box. But you use what you have, right? Okay, so to begin, I'm actually gonna open up this Ipsy one, and this is $10 a month. And this is for the month of August. So I guess these bad boys didn't fit in the bag. This is Juice Up Kale mask, and this is a Juice Up Blackberry mask. So I'm all about masking, so I'm really excited about this. I love to do masks. I actually have a mask or a top 5 mask video, so if you want to go ahead and watch that, click right there. Click on the card, actually, not like right there. You know what I mean. Anyway, yes. So this is the bag for Ipsy for August. And the first thing I'm pulling out of here is this Universe's Star Highlighter. Okay. So that's cute, cute little packaging, if you can see it. Anyway. Oh, this is a highlighter, really? It's kind of peachy for a highlighter. You see that? Okay. So it's kind of like peachy and sheeny. I don't know. I don't know if it will go well with my skin tone. So, I mean, I'll try it out, but I don't know. Next up, we have this Golden Organic BB Cream from COOLA. And I actually really like this brand, so I'm kind of excited about that. Oh my God, you guys. We got this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte, sorry, I had a brain fart, liquid lipstick. Oh my God, I am so excited about this. I've actually wanted to purchase one of these. Not sure that I purchased it in the past, but I'm so excited that this came in my bag. Okay, and next up we have Answer From. That's the brand, I guess. And it says Black Volume Gold Radiance Cream with Blackberry extracts. Cannot speak today. Intense hydration, refreshing, soft moisturizer for all skin tones. Oh, okay. And it says confidence level selfie with no filter. So it's just like an information little slip inside the bag. And that's what we have for Ipsy this month. I feel like the most exciting thing that I pulled out of here were of course the masks, because I love masks, and I mean, who doesn't, right? Refreshing little mask. And the Huda Beauty. Like, I kind of want to like just change my lipstick right now. I'm just gonna leave this one out. You might see me with different lipstick later, just saying. Okay, next up we have the Birchbox, and it literally comes in a box. And then another box. You will see. It's gonna be box inception. Come on. Open says. Okay. Okay, here's another box. And this one is Snapshots from Summer. So it always has an insert, and then it has information on the back of the insert. Okay, first thing I am pulling out of here is this Amika Phantom Hydrating Dry Shampoo Foam. I'm all about dry shampoo. I know that a lot of people say that it's bad for you, but I don't know. I'm okay with it. I like it. And this is a dry shampoo in foam formula. I'm definitely gonna try this because I'm lazy, number one, and I don't like to wash my hair that often. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay, This is Manna Kadar. This is a liquid lipstick. Actually, this is a priming gloss stain. And this is the color All of Me. So it's kind of like that pinky mauve color, which I love. Next up, we have this Roller Lash Black Mascara from Benefit, which I've actually been using mascara lately because I haven't been able to do my eyelashes. So, can you tell? I mean, I have little stumps, but still, I'm liking it. Oh, okay, so this is the, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, hello. It's all about the brush, right? Cool brush. I like it. It's kind of like that plasticky brush. Very cool. I'll give it a go. Okay. Oh, I love this brand, MALIN+GOETZ. I really don't know, but this is a grapefruit face cleanser. And I actually have a lot of their products, and I have their soap, actually their hand soap, which just smells really, really good. Okay, last thing in here, it says Secret of Sahara. Oh, it's a mask, oil and extract. This is cool. Oh, very, oh, okay, so it's a mask and the oil is on the bottom. This is very different, and I'm really excited about that because, as you know, I love masks. Okay, Birchbox. This one was also $10 a month. I am loving this so far. Okay, now I'm gonna pause you really quick because I need to take you off the Macy's box so that I can actually go into the Macy's stuff. I should just taken this stuff out before I started filming. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so we are back, and I took out the actual package because I'm still filming on the actual box. Don't judge me, don't judge me. Anyway, so take it out, this pretty pink paper. Oh, it actually comes in a bag, but the bag was like outside, like on the bottom, which is so weird, but so cute. Can you please? Thank you. Okay, I like this. See, this is the type of bag that would be waterproof, and you can put like your liquids in here, like foundation and stuff, and not worry about it spilling inside your suitcase. Cute. Okay. It always comes with a booklet, and it has information on all of your products. It usually has like a $5 or $10 coupon inside, and gives you a lot of detail on your stuffs. Okay. So, first up, oops, broke the damn thing. This is not broken, what are you talking about? We have this IT Cosmetics Confidence in an eye cream, and it says it brightens, repairs, and transforms your under eye. So I need some under eye love, so I think that's definitely gonna be part of my nighttime routine now. This Origins Clear Improvement Charcoal Honey Charcoal Honey Mask to Purify and Nourish. Interesting. Can you see that? Is it? Okay, there you go. Very interesting. I like that. It's very different. Okay. Ooh, this is one of my faves. So this is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray, and this basically sets your spray. Listen, when you live in Florida and the sweat just starts to drip everywhere, this is definitely necessary. So I was actually gonna buy another one, but I'm glad that I didn't because this is the perfect size. Let me show you. Cute and little mini size. Just perfect for travel, just like I like it. So that's that. It has a little perfume sample, and this is from Juicy Couture, Oui, which is yes, French, That's French for you other people. Oh wait, it has 2. Wait, no, this is not a perfume sample. Read, Deborah, read. Okay, this is a lipstick of some sort. Can I get my life together? Okay. Wow, that's really tiny letters. I can't even see. I need like a magnifying glass right now, I swear, because I cannot even see. Well, it's a cute little pink color and it's for your lips. So, it's, I mean, it's like hot pink. Alrighty, that's different, that's different. You gotta get out your comfort zone, right? And then, last but not least, oh my God, all these masks, I'm so happy. Okay, so here is another sheet mask. Oh my God, I'm gonna mask my life away. This one, it says it is intense hydrating, just the way I love it. Oh God, hydrate my life. So hyaluronic acid, hydrating, real, oh it says real hyaluronic acid, as opposed to fake hyaluronic acid. I don't know, do people put fake hyaluronic in there? I don't know. Well, anyway, that's everything that I got in my subscription boxes for August. I feel like we did really good this month. I got some HUDA, I got a whole bunch of masks. Oh my God, I have some stuff for my eyes. This is another type of mask. Oh my God, I'm so happy, guys. Well, I'm hoping that you guys pick one of these, you know, subscription boxes for yourself if it does work out, if you want to like try out different things every month, because I love trying out all this, you know, cute sample size stuff. And sometimes it's actually bigger than sample size, just to let you know. You can have like a couple tries out of a little sample. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe because you're gonna want to, trust me. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, which I'm sure you did, guys. Stop playing, you liked it. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, bye.